Making the leap from a small scientific project to a large NSF science and engineering initiative is a considerable undertaking. All NSF proposals require intellectual merits and broader impacts, both of which face a far higher bar with a large initiative. Take scientist Lucy, for example. She does computational chemistry. Her small and medium-scale research is funded by the NSF, and she's good at project management. Now Lucy wants to go large and integrative. But how to make that leap to large? The good news is that NSF wants to fund successful large projects, because large projects are not just small projects cobbled together. They can have a big impact. But large projects involve a broader set of stakeholders, need to make a demonstrable impact, and require integrative enterprise leadership. This workshop provides tested and validated guidance for successfully leading large-scale science in 7 sessions. 1. Impact and its 4 dimensions. 2. Stakeholder alignment and why it matters. 3. Measurement tools for demonstrating impact. 4. Leadership and why project management expertise is not enough to lead a large initiative. 5. Data and unique challenges with large projects. 6. People and the importance of broad participation. And finally, 7. Collaboration across institutions, geographies, and disciplines. A large computer and information science and engineering, SIZE, is over $1.2 million and typically extends for more than 4 years. The grants that are the target for this series of sessions are in the range of $4 million to $10 million. These account for less than 10% of NSF grants, yet are expected to have major impacts and too often lack the needed strategy, structure, and processes to operate at this scale. In making the leap to large, you can accomplish better, more impactful science, aligning diverse stakeholders. So, let's get started.